So today I'm going to try to make these Japanese milk bread rolls that I saw my coworker make, and he posted it on his Instagram. I did try making them yesterday, but they didn't turn out the way that I guess they were supposed to. So anyways, I'm going to give it another try. This is the recipe, and it's from King Arthur Flour, which if you go onto their website and search Japanese bread rolls, you'll find this exact same recipe. So before we start making the actual bread, we have to make this, which is the tangjong, which is kind of like a starter that we use, not really a starter, but it's something that we use to add to the bread to make it fluffy and soft. And a lot of Asian breads actually uses this technique. So I made this yesterday, and it's just 3 tablespoons each of flour and milk and 2 tablespoons of bread flour, and you just cook it in low heat until it turns into a paste. I have a saran wrap over it, so that's why that's the skin doesn't form. Anyway, so here it is. I made this yesterday. I've combined all the ingredients here: the flour, the yeast, the milk powder, the eggs, the butter, sugar, salt, and we're going to mix it until it turns into a plastic dough. I'm going to mix it a little longer as if I'm kneading the dough for the bread by hand. So we're just going to go and mix it all together until it forms in plastic. So I nearly forgot, the most important ingredient in this dough is the tangjong that I talked about at the very beginning, which is what makes it nice, soft, and fluffy. My son's finished his lunch. Anyway, so I added that in, and I just kind of kneaded it with my hands, and then just kind of let it mix away in the mixer until it forms into a nice tacky dough, so which it has done. And so I'm going to form this into a ball, and it's going to proof for 60 to 90 minutes, so an hour to an hour and a half. So it's been proofing for 90 minutes, over 90 minutes, and just look at that. This is really different from yesterday. Yesterday it wasn't even puffing up at all. So I think I did it right this time, besides forgetting to add the tangjong, but adding it later on. So this is the proof dough. I'm going to divide it into 8 pieces, and then it's going to go proof again for another 40 to 50 minutes. These are now turned into round balls, and they'll be proofing for 40 to 50 minutes. Got my daughter on a virtual playdate with her friends on Zoom, but here they are. They've been proofing for another 40 to 50 minutes, and they've puffed up nicely. Okay, and I'm gonna brush it with some milk, put it in an oven that's preheated to 350, and for 25 to 30 minutes. Right, so the oven has preheated to 350. I'm putting these, have brushed them with milk into the oven. All right, in they go.